not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet.
First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way to the best, 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 best. Bitch, I'm the best.
Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you guys a tour of my newly bought house. This is very personal to me, so for me to even show you guys this video, it's like a lot, but you know, I'm gonna do it for you guys. I haven't moved anything in here yet, so it's an empty house tour, and I'm gonna try to show as much as I can. I'm a first-time home buyer at the age of 24, so my first house, and we're gonna just get right into it. So this area here is designated to be my dining area. Like, I already have like a million and trillion and zillion things that I want to do with this house, and right here is one of my favorite places to decorate. I'm gonna put a chandelier here. I know that for a fact. I'm gonna put a 6-seat dining table, and this wall, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet. I think I'm gonna put like some mirrors or some pictures or something like that. Yeah. And the windows, oh my god, we didn't even talk about the windows. These windows, okay, I love big windows. Like, I love all windows, to be very honest, but these, you know, they're it. From the dining area, it leads right into my favorite part of the house, any house, my favorite, the kitchen. And this island, get into my island, okay? I love this island, and I'm not just saying it because it's mine or anything like that. No, let me stop. No, seriously, I love the marble they chose to use. It's gray and it goes really well with the flooring. I don't know if you guys can see if it's can you see if it sparkles? Probably not. I'll try to like insert a picture so you guys can see what the marble looks like up close. I'm a glitz and glamour kind of girl, so anything that sparkles, like, you know, just make my entire life. This arrangement, before I freaking forget, is from my realtors, Rich and Meg. They're absolutely amazing. If you're ever looking for a house in Virginia, they're the ones to go to. Tell them, you know, I sent you. They had a lot of patience with me. I love you, Rich, and I love you, Megan. You know, I'm a handful, I know. My cabinets, absolutely love. They have a lot of space. The kitchen is my favorite part of the house because I'm always in here. Like, I spend most of my time in the kitchen. I'm always cooking and all that stuff. So these cabinets for sure would be filled. Okay, don't worry if I can reach all of them. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry about that. These cabinets, I don't have to worry about noise because they're soft close. So that's freaking perfect. Like I said, this house is a new build, so all the appliances are brand new, and I was able to choose some, so that makes me really, really happy. Over here, I think I'm gonna put a breakfast table. I'm not exactly sure yet, either that or accent beanbag chair. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I love the chandelier that is right over it, and it's so low, and with the chains, oh, it just makes my life. It makes my life, okay? It makes my life. Now this door right off the kitchen, it leads to my laundry room, which is perfect because when I'm cooking, I'm usually cleaning. So I like to do like laundry and all that at once. I don't like to, you know, get it all out the way. Now in here, I have a brand new washer and dryer, LG. I was able to pick it out. I took my time and I researched it. If you guys want me to put the link in the bottom below for it. They have really nice reviews on it. So I can't wait to like use it and see if what they say is actually true. Now my island. You know, I was okay with getting an island that was, you know, could fit about 4 seats. Now this one can fit about 6 seats. I'm a female, you know, I live alone. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So, you know, it's a lot. So It's fine. I can take a 6-seater island. And from here to the corner, we have closet. It's a really, really nice size. I have like paint and stuff in here from what the builders like left me, so I'm not gonna go in here and show you guys that. Off to here is my half bathroom, which is perfect because, you know, if anyone wants to use the bathroom really quick, they can do that. The dining area is just off the dining area in the living room. You can just like come either way and like get to the half bathroom. It's perfect, it's neat, and I absolutely love this mirror. I already started taking like a million and trillion pictures in it because it's just neat, you know? Come on. Okay, so this room here is designated to be my living room, aka the fun room. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it yet. I do already have a couch set, it's a sectional. So in my mind, I'm gonna have the TV on this wall. I'm gonna have the sectional this way. I don't remember if it's a right one or a left one, but it's gonna be that way. So I can leave this space right here, this, you know, like a little hall, you know, a nice little walking area. And I don't believe I said this in the last video, but my floors, oh my God, I love the wood that they chose to use. It's one of my favorite part of the house and the reason why I chose this one among the others we were looking at. So yeah. Now this room right here is the master bedroom, aka my room, which is why it's gonna be the most grand room in the entire house because it's mine. Okay, come take a look at what it looks like before. No sir, on a bright tea, you don't really think when I run in my bedroom? No sir. No, come upstairs, come go upstairs. Okay, so when you first go up the stairs, you land into the famous room of the house. This is gonna be my favorite. Did I say my bedroom was my favorite? If I did, I lied. This is gonna be my favorite because it's gonna be my beauty room. I already have one in my apartment, so I'm basically gonna just transfer everything I have there, here. I didn't get to finish it in my apartment though, so I guess I'll just finish it, you know, when I get here. And this closet right here is gonna be storage for all my equipment, you know, all the things I use to, you know, make my wigs and all that good stuff. So yeah. Now when we come back out here, you get to see this beautiful, beautiful view from upstairs. Get into it. Finally in one of the guest rooms. The other room that I'm going to show you is also going to be a guest room because like I said, it's 4 rooms. I already have my bedroom. I already have the beauty room, so that leaves 2 rooms for me to do something with, and I have a lot of family members that come to visit and all that stuff, so I have 2 guest rooms. This room is going to be a guest room. I haven't figured out what exactly I'm going to do with it yet, but they have their own bathroom. Now, I know you guys didn't get a chance to see, you know, my master bedroom and the bathroom, but this kind of gives you an idea. My shower is a little bit different, so I'm going to keep them. I'm going to have a glass door in my bathroom. They have a rod. I'm going to put like curtains. I'm going to make it really pretty, but I also have double sinks in mine. I believe I took a picture on Instagram in this room before you guys knew what was going on. So if you guys seen that picture and kind of had an idea, yeah, this is where it happened. The wood is just like downstairs in the bathroom, so I freaking love that. I hate towels in the bathroom. If you want to piss me off, put towels in the bathroom. Now we go out to here, okay? And from that door, we can enter right into the second guest room over here. And like the other room, it has a closet just like this. Always double doors, you know, so my guests can put, you know, whatever they need to, you know, while they're staying, their short stay. I have one last thing to show you guys, come on. Yeah, the door. This is the end of the tour. If you guys stayed from start to finish and actually, you know, paid attention, you know, you guys are a trooper and welcome to the team. You should already subscribe and like and comment by now. I appreciate you. We're bonded together. We're brothers and sisters. You know, just just wait for my next video. Okay? Wait for my next video. In fact, I'll see you in my next video. So, goodbye. Goodbye. Sir, are you supposed to end the video now when I'm hungry? I'm gonna eat all day. I'm tired. Come, man. Come. Sir. Hi. Ciao.